Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are diving into one of the most advanced and terrifying technologies in modern warfare, hypersonic weapons, and the incredible speed that makes them nearly unstoppable. In military terms, hypersonic speed means traveling at more than 5 times the speed of sound. That is over 6,000 kilometers per hour. At this speed, a weapon can cross entire countries in minutes. Reaction time becomes extremely limited, and traditional defense systems struggle to respond. Unlike conventional ballistic missiles, hypersonic weapons can maneuver during flight. This makes their path unpredictable and much harder to intercept. There are 2 main types of hypersonic weapons. The first is the hypersonic glide vehicle. These are launched into the upper atmosphere by rockets and then glide toward their target at extreme speeds while maneuvering. The second type is the hypersonic cruise missile. These missiles use advanced engines called scramjets that allow them to maintain hypersonic speed within the atmosphere. What makes hypersonic weapons so dangerous is not just their speed, but their ability to change direction mid-flight. Traditional missile defense systems are designed to predict fixed paths. Hypersonic weapons break that prediction model completely. Because of their speed and maneuverability, defending against them becomes incredibly difficult. This creates a strategic imbalance, as nations race to develop both hypersonic weapons and defenses against them. Hypersonic weapons can carry conventional or nuclear warheads, increasing their flexibility in combat. A conventional hypersonic strike can hit high-value targets such as command centers, air bases, or naval ships within minutes. The psychological impact is also massive. Knowing that an enemy can strike almost instantly changes how nations think about deterrence and defense. Several major powers are investing heavily in hypersonic technology. These programs are pushing the limits of materials science, propulsion systems, and heat resistance. At hypersonic speeds, air friction generates extreme temperatures that can melt ordinary materials. Engineers must design special heat-resistant materials to ensure the weapon survives its journey. Guidance systems must also function perfectly despite intense vibration and heat. This makes hypersonic weapon development highly complex and extremely expensive. Despite these challenges, progress continues rapidly. Some experts believe hypersonic weapons could reshape global military strategy entirely. With reaction times reduced to minutes or even seconds, decision-making pressure increases dramatically. This raises concerns about accidental escalation during times of crisis. Hypersonic weapons represent a new era of speed in warfare. They show how technology is compressing time on the battlefield. Understanding this technology helps us understand the future of global security, because in the age of hypersonic weapons, speed may decide everything.